Holding the right little booklet in your pocket can open the doors to 195 countries without a single visa. Most people think the United States or the United Kingdom holds the top spot, but that is totally wrong. Today, we are looking at the ultimate golden ticket of global travel, plus some mind-blowing facts about our world. Right now, the single most powerful passport belongs to Singapore, giving its citizens instant access to almost the whole planet. Imagine booking a flight on a Tuesday morning and landing across the ocean that night without waiting in any visa lines. Meanwhile, countries like Japan, France, Germany, Italy, and Spain sit right behind it with access to 192 spots. On the other hand, the world is full of crazy travel rules that make moving around feel like a giant game. For example, did you know that 3 specific people on Earth do not even need a passport to travel anywhere? The King of the United Kingdom, along with the Emperor and Empress of Japan, travel purely on their royal titles. Every other human being needs official documents, but their faces and names act as their permanent global passes. Speaking of crazy flights, the shortest scheduled commercial flight on Earth takes place in Scotland. It connects the 2 islands of Westray and Papa Westray in just 80 seconds, barely enough time to buckle up. If you hate long flights, that is definitely the trip for you. Now, you might think you need a massive budget to see the most unbelievable places, but the world is actually weirder than you think. Take Norway, for example, where there is a town called Longyearbyen that legally requires people to carry a rifle for polar bear safety. Or look at Russia, which spans 11 time zones, meaning one side eats breakfast while the other gets ready for bed. Even nature has wild shortcuts like the border between Alaska and Russia, where you can literally look into tomorrow. The 2 Diomede Islands sit just 2.5 miles apart, but they have a 21-hour time difference between them. You can stand on Big Diomede on a Friday and stare directly at Little Diomede on a Thursday. Travel is not just about crossing borders. It is about realizing how big and full of surprises our planet truly is. Having that Singapore passport makes it easy, but curiosity is what actually gets you out the front door. Click the video on your screen right now to discover the hidden wonders waiting on your next trip.